What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we are going to be diving into the whimsical world of JOTOYS, a wildly creative designer collectible toy brand that specializes in turning deep emotions, everyday adventures and fantasy storytelling into adorable high quality art toys, which is perhaps in this box. And actually, just a bit about JOTOYS. They are a world-renowned brand for their specialty in blind boxes. This one's also one of those blind boxes that they specialize in delivering to their customers. And essentially these blind boxes span across beautifully detailed vinyl minifigures, plush bag clips, and pouch accessories built specifically to create an element of mystery and emotional connection for collectors. Some of their iconic and more fan-favorite character lineups include the incredibly popular fuzzy q.kid, famous for the emotional hairy monsters and fairy tale series, the whimsical forest inhabitant Yumo, strange stories about dreams, and other lovable figures like Minia and Oyo. They're all characters that could be in one of these boxes. So when it comes to gifting, JOTOYS would send out these products as the ultimate surprise gift, wrapped in this type of a box, completely sealed, mystery packaging, and you basically don't know exactly what unique character variant would be in that specific hidden secret edition, such as this. And until you've opened the box, you wouldn't know what's inside. Speaking of which, I've got this one right here in my hands. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to be looking around the box, of course, as usual, and then we're going to be crack opening this together. You'd have to look at this gorgeous box while I get my knife to get ready for the unboxing, of course. As you can see, JOTOYS is the brand of the day, and we'd like to thank them for sponsoring this video and sending out this review unit. As you can see, it's all completely hidden. You don't know what is in there, no pictures, no information, and it says the world is a toy. That's what it says. This is at the back. There was a label, I've removed it, and let's see what comes tucked inside this sealed box. All right, let's open it up. Time to unleash this beauty. Right. Some of the characters, to be honest, I don't know what the characters are. There are, as I've been told, they are very famous characters, and I guess cut open the seal from here just to make more space to open the box. Oh, right, there we are. And this one needs to be cut in as well. Okey doke. And here we are. As you can see, everything's cut open, and we have the gift box right inside. The cardboard flaps out, and tucked inside comes completely sealed pack. Another box, effectively. And this is City Pages, JOTOYS brand, Yukio City Pages, and so brand name JOTOY, product name Yukio City Pages series blind box, material PVC, ABS nylon, polyester, fiber, magnet, and manufacturer is Shenzhen JOTOYS Culture Communication Limited. They're based in Shenzhen City, and place of origin is China, Dongguan, and then you have Shenzhen JOTOYS Culture Limited mentioned over here as well. There is the Instagram handle, JOTOYS_global, and here's your QR code for WeChat if you're interested in that. They have also specifically mentioned there's choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years of age. There's a collectible item recommended for ages 15 and above. So you know that, know your limits and not go beyond the limits. It's all clearly described there. And then there are some of the characters that have been named on here: Espresso, Rainforest Adventure, Artful Streets, Golden Wave, Black and White Film, Maple Ave, Silent Clown, Ranch Gifts, and Venice Canal. And this is a secret one, which is one that's inside here. And it also says the product contains regular or secret editions of Yukio City Pages series blind box. Regular edition ratio is 1:9, and secret edition ratio is 1:108. So if you get many of these boxes, like 9 of these, you may not necessarily get all of these unique characters. You might get different ones. It's always a hidden box. So when you order it, expect one of these for the Yukio City ones. So let's open it up and check out the character that we've got this time around. There we are. Should have sealed. I should have opened it like this. Let me do it like that. That's it. That's what I had to do. City Pages, but now it's gone. So All right, so opening the flap, we have the City Pages Rainforest Adventure. And it's one of these ones, if you see here. Rainforest Adventure is the second one. This is the character. And you'll have the soft, fluffy toy inside this package. Again, it says you need to be aware of choking hazard. Please dispose of the waste properly. Join our life, be the world. JOTOYS brand, again, you feel. And let's open it up. So this is the Rainforest Adventure. I don't know if these have a name, like the character name and stuff. Ooh, wow, that's so pretty. Look at that. The way it's crafted, if you see this, the way it's been crafted, it's so good. Wow, it's beautiful. Do you see that? It's so beautiful. I'm gonna get rid of the background, all of the bit of mess from the box, but you can see this, right? This is so beautiful. The way it's been crafted, I'm so amazed to see this. Because hopefully this is visible. But the way it's been crafted, the way it looks, it's amazing. Wow, shiny, a great collectible, I guess. And the way the hair is crafted, if you see this comes off, and that was actually kept to protect the hair. And now look at that, wow. You could style the hair the way you like it. Look, how cool is that? You can change the hairstyle if you want to. And then, whoa. It's one of the most prettiest collectibles I have, I think. None of my collectibles are as pretty as this one. Look at that, this is amazing. It has the JOTOYS Yuki under the foot. And the way, the construction, look at that, this is so pretty. It's not the soft toy though. It's one of the hard ones, the hard collectibles. And Rainforest Adventures is the one that says, right? Which is Rainforest Adventures. All right. Now that we have this little guy out of the package, let's talk about the incredible build quality of this Rainforest Adventure series, because JOTOYS has absolutely nailed the premium feel here. The first thing you notice is when you hold it, it's so satisfying. Physical weight, it's a weighted product, and it's also actually very nicely weighted across the whole character. There is plastic, there's PVC of course involved, but it's rather solid, dense, high-grade vinyl collectible, as they mentioned on the box. They've used a kind of gorgeous matte coating as well, which is kind of shiny at the top, which completely eliminates any cheap plastic glare. Although there is a bit of glare on the dress, but look at the face and the legs. There's a lot of detail around, and the vibrant greens, the jungle greens, the rainforest kind of tone that comes off of this. It's quite interesting, especially if you got this flocked or mixed material figures, which they seamlessly blend smooth PVC accent with incredibly soft fuzzy textures. In this instance, I've not got the fluffy toys, this is the hard toy, and I think I see this to be completely flawless with no bleeding at all, zero bleeding, no rough seams around. Plus, it's the other collectible art card. Look at that, this is pretty cool as well. See that? It's printed on thick, heavy cardstock with a beautiful, as you can see, holographic sheen that matches the exact character variant, proving that JOTOYS puts just as much care into the presentation as they do with the figure itself. So I'm quite impressed as a whole. And there's the QR code as well. Not sure what that unlocks. We could check later on, but might just unlock the information about this specific character. I will look into this separately, but look at that. This is a great match, and the way it's been built, I'm quite impressed. It's going to be a collectible on my desk from here on, and you're going to probably be able to see this a bit more as I show you when I'm obviously unboxing other boxes, other things. It's going to be there on my desk. I really like it. And I'm going to keep this and probably be getting more of these mystery boxes in the future, and to see if I can, you know, get all these collectibles. I've got the Rainforest Adventures, there's Espresso, Artful Streets, Golden Wave, Black and White Film, Maple Ave, Silent Claw, Ranch Gifts, and Venice Canals. You can get all of these as we bring all of these characters to the table. That's pretty much it for this video. Again, thanks to JOTOYS for sending out this unit. This is absolutely incredible, looks pretty, and yeah, I'm quite impressed, as you can imagine. And just before we end, we'd like to mention that there is an exclusive discount code. If you're interested in buying JOTOYS, 10% off exclusively for you guys. If you were to buy JOTOYS, use the code MyNextBest on checkout and you'll get flat 10% off of your purchase price. Ooh, I just got It's just got the head out. It's magnetic. So you can work with this part and the other and put it back on. So you could change the hairstyle too. I was not aware of that. The skull moves, the neck is turning, so you can turn it around. And once you've decided to change the hairstyle, just put it back on the head. See that? Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family members if they would be interested. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.